Gardening is great medicine and can help reduce stress naturally. It's a physical activity that has numerous health benefits. One such benefit is stress relief. So if you are in need of some ecotherapy, also known as horticultural therapy this spring, put on your gardening gloves and get ready to learn how gardening reduces stress naturally. Gardening is on the increase. Gardening is very popular in America, which is great for stress relief. According to the National Gardening Association and the Mother Nature Network, 37% of U.S. households have food gardens. 29% of these American food gardeners live in the South, 26% live in the Midwest, 23% live in the West, and 22% live in the Northeast. Americans plant a variety of flowers, fruits, and herbs, but most U.S. gardeners plant vegetables. In fact, 86% grow tomatoes, 47% grow cucumbers, and 46% grow sweet peppers. No matter how big your garden or what you plant, just the act of getting outside and getting your hands dirty is a form of stress relief and ecotherapy. Garden therapy can bring you mental, physical, and spiritual health. Here are 3 ways that gardening reduces stress. Number 1, sunlight. Sunshine is a great health benefit for your body. It's an excellent source of vitamin D, a nutrient that boosts memory and your mood while relaxing you and lowering your stress. Many of us in the Northern Hemisphere lack adequate amounts of vitamin D, and fortunately gardening outside can help with that. Number 2, exercise. From pulling weeds to pushing wheelbarrows, gardening can be a great source of exercise. You get a chance to stretch and strengthen your body while also getting fresh oxygen to fill your lungs. This physical activity produces endorphins in your body, which can lower your stress. Number 3, connection. Garden therapy engages your 5 senses. It's a form of ecotherapy and has a therapeutic impact on your health. Your eyes feast on the colors, shapes, and sizes of the plants and animals in your garden. You get your hands dirty and connect with the soft earth as you listen to the sounds of the insects and wind. All your hard work will produce sweet-scented flowers and plants. And, depending on the plants you grow, you can also taste all your hard work. All of this can lower your stress and blood pressure, as well as boost your mood. So get started on your garden therapy today. Plan ahead this year so you can have a garden this summer. You can plan a large production that takes up significant space in your yard. Or if you're new to gardening, consider planting in small containers on your windowsill. Statistics show that 35% of U.S. households grow indoor houseplants. Bulbous plants actually make for wonderful container plants. And having the ability to bring the containers indoors during cold snaps can ensure the growing success of your plants for springtime. Become your best you and discover more about this and other topics. Visit themindfullivingnetwork.com, where knowledge is our mission. Thanks for watching.